Hi, my name is Liana and I made a favorite color predictor based on maximum likelihood expectation and the gradient ascent. I've linked this website in the caption of my video as well as in my write-up so you can follow along and try the website for yourself as you watch this video. My website is really user-friendly because it allows users to choose between two colors using arrow keys. The user will do 30 rounds of picking between two colors. And even during the process in which the user is choosing colors, they can see the real-time status of the model, which shows how many comparisons the user has done, the current best guess for the user's top color choice, and then it also shows the breakdown of the current weights at the moment for each category, which is like red bias, blue bias, chroma, colorfulness, warmth, brightness, saturation, and hue. After the user is done choosing between all 30 rounds of colors, they can see what the model predicted for their favorite color to be. My website also includes the final weights for each category based on the user's choices. It also includes the PMF of the probability of each color being the user's favorite. Finally, it includes a color scale map that reflects the preference scores that was calculated at the end. And at the bottom of my website, I also include some of the math formulas that went into doing these calculations. I've included the detailed formulas in my write-up. This website works by giving the users two choices for colors. So basically, given two colors, the users can choose whether they prefer color A or color B. This data is stored in a Bernoulli since the choice is binary. The user either chooses this first color or the second color. The Bernoulli data is similar to the training data that we do with maximum likelihood expectation in our P-sets and in class. So I took inspiration from this to kind of create the likelihood equation and to create the log likelihood equation. This model is trained on 8 categories, since for each color I have categories such as hue, saturation, brightness, warmth, colorfulness, chroma, blue bias, and red bias, and each of these are represented by weights. So essentially I have 8 weights, and these weights are going to be the ones that I'm optimizing using the log likelihood function. And then when I have the weights of the user's preferred type of color, I can create an ultimate score for each color in my database by multiplying the weights of the user and the weights that that color itself contains. And then the largest score is the likelihood that the user, and the largest score is the predicted color that the user would like the best. And since I have all these predictions of how much the user would like each color, I can create a PMF with the probability of each color being the user's favorite color.